Understanding the Federal Constitution, a guide to the foundations of government. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very important term that you might have heard in news, movies, or while reading: the Federal Constitution. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding new words to your vocabulary. It's about getting to know how countries organize their highest laws and principles. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of constitutional governance together. The term federal refers to a system of government where power is divided between a central, national government and smaller, state or regional governments. This division is designed to balance control, preventing any single entity from having too much power. In a federal system, both the national government and the state governments have their own roles and responsibilities that are distinct yet complementary. A constitution is a set of fundamental principles or established precedents according to which a state or other organization is governed. It's like the rule book for the country, laying down the laws, rights, and responsibilities that define the nation's identity. Constitutions are crucial for ensuring that everyone knows the rules of the game, from the government officials to the citizens. A federal constitution combines the concepts of federalism and constitutional governance. It is the supreme law of the land in a federal country, detailing the powers and limitations of both the national and state governments. It also protects the rights of the citizens, ensuring that their freedoms cannot be infringed upon lightly. Countries like the United States, Germany, and Australia are examples of federal republics with a federal constitution. Understanding the federal constitution is key to grasping how a country operates and the principles it stands upon. For English language learners, this knowledge not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your comprehension of global political structures. It allows you to engage more deeply with current events, participate in informed discussions, and appreciate the complexities of governance in a multicultural world. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning and importance of the Federal Constitution. We hope this video has illuminated how countries structure their laws and governance to protect and serve their citizens. Remember, learning English isn't just about words. It's about connecting with the world around you. Keep curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Goodbye for now.